Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Dinda Ariko. In this video, I'm going to tell you about diphthong vowel sound. They are I, ow, and oi. But first of all, we need to know what is diphthong. So diphthong are a single vowel sound that actually combine two vowel sounds together in same syllable. Let's start with I vowel sound. How to pronounce it? To pronounce this, start making a vowel sound. Open your mouth and relax your lips. And then flatten your tongue, and the tip of your tongue should be touching the back of your bottom front teeth. Next, connect the A to the I sound. Smoothly move your jaw up. Repeat after me. I. You can find I vowel sound in some words such as time, invite, Friday, mind, high, light, cry, apply, die, lie, buy, guy, hide, I'll, and I. The second is ow vowel sound. How to pronounce it? To pronounce this is basically just connect the a and u vowel sound. Start making a vowel sound, and after that, just connect to u vowel sound. Repeat after me. Ow, ow, ow. You can find a vowel sound in some words such as surround, house, crowd, allow, bow, and drought. The last is oi vowel sound. To pronounce this, start making o vowel sound. Open your mouth and round your lips. Like that. And then flatten your tongue and pull it far back to your throat. Next, connect the O with E vowel sound. Repeat after me. Oi, oi, oi. You can find oi vowel sound in some words such as voice, noise, toy, and employ. Now let's do some practices. The first is practice for I vowel sound. Science prize, the right to privacy, a bike ride, a tiny island. The second is ow vowel sound, a crowded house, a countdown, the town's boundary, loud shouting. And the third is oi vowel sound, boys' toys, loyal employer, spoiled boys, annoying noise. Now let's move to alternating vowel. Alternating vowel is a system of vowel changes. These vowel changes are used to show grammatical information. Now we will compare I and I vowel sound. Collide, collision, decide, decision, crime, criminal, wise, wisdom, cycle, cyclical, hide, hidden. Now let's identify these 14 pairs of words. Are they alternating or same vowel? The number one is alternating vowel, from wide to width. Number two is alternating vowel 2, from divide to division. Number 3 is same vowel, from guide to guidance. The number 4 is same vowel, from excite to excitement. Number 5 is alternating vowel, from divine to divinity. Number 6 is alternating vowel, from bite to bitten. Number 7 is same vowel, from bike to bicycle. Number 8 is same vowel, from style to stylist. Number 9 is alternating vowel, from wild to wilderness. Number 10 is alternating vowel, from type to typical. Number 11 is same vowel, from mild to mildness. Number 12 is alternating vowel, from precise to precision. Number 13 is alternating vowel, from line to linear. Number 14 is alternating vowel, from revise to revision. The last, we're going to talk about joining vowel. So, joining vowel is used to create a smooth, fluid link from a word ending in a vowel sound into a word beginning with a vowel sound. Take a look at some phrases in a column. First is say and. Say and is nearly the same pronunciation as the word seance in column B. And then, is she going to sew it? Sew it word is same pronunciation as the sew it word as in the column B. And after that, did you dye it? Diet word are the same pronunciation as diet word in column B. And then, going there. Going there is nearly the same pronunciation as the word going there in column B. And then, why are baskets sold here? YR is nearly the same pronunciation as the word wire. And the last is, I didn't like her sour chicken. Sour chicken is nearly the same pronunciation as sour. I think that's all from me about this material. See you next time. Assalamualaikum.